In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 ways to increase your subscriber on YouTube. I've been doing that for the past 7 days. It worked for me and I'm sure it will work for you. Yeah. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly how I do these things. So let's go. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your friend Boys Monakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 tips to increase your subscriber on YouTube. As I said at the beginning, for proof, let me show you my screen here. If you go to subscriber here, you see how my subscriber increased in the last 7 days. Look how my subscriber increased. Look at how the curve is increasing. Look, it really does work for me and I'm sure it will work for you. So by the way, don't forget to like this video, click the like button please, and subscribe to this channel, so that we can grow together. Yeah, let's go. The first thing that I changed in my YouTube journey to increase my subscriber is that the power of playlists. Before, I didn't know how to manage the power of playlists. Before, I just upload a video and put into playlist. That's it. And I'm going to sleep. But it doesn't work that way. See, for example, let me show you an example here on my laptop here. Let me just show you an example. If you take this one, for example, like now I classify my playlist a little bit. For example, YouTube video here. Make money. All the video about YouTube I'm putting in the playlist, so that when someone go to your channel, they click in one video. Like, people are curious on YouTube, like they want to see other video and see other video, what you say next. Yeah, so it will be another suggestion on top there. They will click there and see what is your other video. It is helpful for them. For example, you talk about how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. After finish getting the 1,000 subscribers, he want also 4,000 watch hour. Maybe we'll go there and watch the other video talking about like 4,000 watch hour, and again and again he will keep in watching your video. And when the person find value on all this thing, he will subscribe for sure. Or you come in here, make money online. You classify every single video talking about making money. You put it together. If the person click one of your video, he watch the first video, he will say, okay, let me see the other video. He will click the other video, he will watch. And if he keep in watching, he say, okay, let me subscribe to this guy so that I can get some tips from him. Because for me also, I'm doing that. Like when I discover someone, I go through his channel, I check other video, and I can subscribe to his channel. But if everything is mixed there, for example, you upload like how to make money online, and the next video is vlog and it's something like that, it's kind of complicated. It's not that easy. At the beginning, I don't even know that, and I was putting all the video together, so it doesn't work that way. You have to classify every single video together. The second thing I realized in my YouTube journey, and this one increased my subscribers, is that upload long video. At the beginning, I was uploading small video, like maybe less than 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or like 4 minutes, something like that. And okay, this video is short and everything, but the thing is the audience retention. If you upload like a 3-minute video, people will never watch the 3 minutes, like all the 3-minute video. No, never. It will never happen. People will watch at least 1 minute or like a 30-second or something like that. So the audience retention is important for people. The more your video is long, like people watching more and they find more value on your video, and they can subscribe to your channel. But if your video is short and like you don't actually give in that much value to people, it's kind of difficult to subscribe. So increase your video. At least upload 10 and more minutes of video. Like you can upload like 10 minutes or 11 or 12. It's really working. So upload long video. The third thing I changed in my YouTube journey to increase my subscribers is that I reply to every comment. See, for example, I know people, like I'm going to their channel, I take my time, I do everything and comment, like and do everything. But the thing is, they don't reply. They don't even appreciate me. They don't even put a heart on my comment. And this one, I'm feel like someone who don't even have any value for these people, for this person, because they put in video for people to watch. But if I come to watch the video and I comment, the person don't even care about me, he don't do anything. So it kind of frustrates me, and it's not that easy for a person to stay to come next time. So what I do is that I reply every comment. It's either good comment or bad comment. I reply every single comment. It does help, yeah, because sometimes I do watch a video and then I don't comment. If someone take his time to comment in your video, means the person at least consider you as a person. So you have to consider the person back and reply to him. Give him a nice heart and give him like a good reply. I really appreciate you to be my channel, because you also appreciate them. You doing video for people to watch. So if people take their time and comment and you don't reply, it's kind of bizarre. They will not come back next time to watch your video, and they might not subscribe, because first time I comment to see how you react with people. If you react nicely with me, maybe next time when I come here and I ask like, please subscribe to my channel, you might subscribe. But if I don't reply, you say, okay, this guy don't care about someone, so I will not even check on his video. So reply to every comment on your channel. The fourth thing I change in my YouTube journey to increase my subscriber is that I always put a branding watermark on my video. For example, if you check here, or I don't know, here or here, something like that, you can see something they say subscribe now. It does help. I thought that before this thing was useless, but it's not useless. It does help, because sometimes people come to your channel, they watch your video, but they forget to subscribe, because they don't come to YouTube and just subscribe to channels. They just come to YouTube to watch videos. So if you don't remember, please help me subscribe to this channel or something like that. They don't. It's not like they don't want to subscribe, but they forget. Sometimes they forget about subscribing and all. So if you put like the branding watermark at the side here, say subscribe to this channel, or subscribe now, something like that, they will remember and see, oh okay, click and subscribe. It does help to increase YouTube subscriber. And also put always your channel link in the description. Say subscribe here, so that people can go there and subscribe, because people also check in the description. A lot of people, when they go into the channel, they check in the description what you said in the description there, so they can remind this link can remind them there, and they will subscribe to your channel. So always put a branding watermark. The fifth thing I change in my YouTube journey and increase my subscriber is that I always promote my video on the end screen. For example, if like you watch this video till the end, you will see something like, you will see the suggestion of video, like my video. It's either my playlist or my video, suggesting like playlist or video. And there is my logo there where you can click and subscribe. So if the person watch till the end, the person can see and remember, okay, I enjoyed this video, let me click, and the person can subscribe to your channel. So this trick is really helpful. At the beginning, sometimes when I'm uploading video, I skip this step, because I want to upload video so fast, and I skip this step. Don't skip this step. Just go through all those steps and promote your video at the end screen, so that people will see the next video or your previous video, and they can subscribe to your channel. It's important. Don't forget to promote your video at the end of the screen. So those are the 5 steps that I want to share with you guys. 5 ways to increase your subscribers. It does work, so that you will see the changes. It worked for me and it will work for you. Try it. Yeah. Thank you to watch that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm also happy to share those tips with you guys here, and I will be happy to share those tips every single day with you guys here. For this case, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and also subscribe if you find value in this video. For that, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye. Have a great day.